This is a special edition broadcast from the Irish Roots Cafe. Today we have another very special interview we've done with the Everyday Irish, and it all happens at the Browns Irish Festival. Browns happens to be the oldest Irish-run business in North America. Heck, and I think it's South America and maybe even the world. They're still waiting for final judgment on that, but I know of no one older and better to go find what the Irish heritage was like generations back. So we've got a series of 10 interviews developed that we took at the last year's festival, and we hope you enjoy it. And it's going to include the Irish, the non-Irish, and the kings and paupers and thieves and just the whole lot, the whole range of the Irish. So I hope you enjoy it. It coming to you from the Irish Roots Cafe at www.irishroots.com. And I'm Mike OLaughlin. Here's today's interview. Hey, well, now here we have run into somebody else here. Could you introduce yourself and tell us if you have any connection with Browns or any memories of them from the past?
Yeah, this is Tom Shawver with Bloomsday Books. When we were in Brookside at 6227 Brookside Boulevard, we had our first Irish festival that was right behind our shop. And I remember Carrie and John and how much they helped in getting that thing started. We had a raging storm for that weekend, but we got through it and did a great job. And of course, Carrie and all the Browns were tremendously helpful in getting it done. So that was our first Irish Fest.
Boy, and here they got sort of an Irish Fest of their own here, right in their own backyard now.
It reminds me of the early days before it got really big, and it's fantastic on a beautiful day like this.
That's right. Well, thanks a lot, Tom. I'm sure they'll appreciate hearing that, and we'll try to get this on the net.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Well, that's the end of today's interview with the Everyday Irish here at Browns Irish Festival. Each year they have an anniversary party, and each year it gets better. And we've got a series of interviews trying to show the history of the Irish, maybe just like it was in your town, but see what you listen to and what you like, and come back for more. We've got several more interviews coming up, so stay tuned for those. Thanks. This is Mike at www.irishroots.com at the Irish Roots Cafe.
Shocking negative and Shalakudio is called a heavy hinder Shalakudio. Shocking negative and Shalakudio is called a heavy hinder Shalakudio. Shocking negative and Shalakudio is called a heavy hinder Shalakudio. Shocking negative and Shalakudio is called a heavy hinder Shalakudio. Shocking negative and Shalakudio is called a heavy hinder Shalakudio. Shocking negative and